Court's back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Kelly. Thank you. This is the People versus Jacob Robin, ticket number P1326929, count one, no valid registration certificate, count two, no proof of insurance, count three, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effective 1186. Ticket number P1326887, count one, improper place, count two, drive with revoked license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Knapp.
Jacob Anthony Robin.
Corporal Knapp, state your name, please. You're muted, sir.
Corporal Knapp, Detroit Police Department, badge 40186 6th Precinct.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Ms. Robinson.
And Sarah Robinson, appear on behalf of Mr. Jacob Robin, who's already put his name on the record.
All right, so how did you plan to proceed, Ms. Robinson?
Today is the trial date, Judge. There's been an offer from the people. I will put this on the record because Mr. Robin was seeking a different offer. However, for the record, I want Mr. Robin to know that I did relay his request to the prosecutor and his request to speak to her independently. So the offer is to plead to failure to display and the seatbelt, and the remainder would be dismissed.
Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and the court can vouch for you. You did in fact ask to speak to Ms. Horn. Ms. Horn indicated that was unnecessary because this offer was firm. With that, Mr. Robin, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
I have.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No,
You're pleading of your own free will?
I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
I do.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
I do.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 11, 2022 at 1:12 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Plymouth and Greenview in the city of Detroit?
I was.
Were you driving a 2008 Saturn vehicle?
I was.
Driving with a revoked license?
I was.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, Judge.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1326929 for pleading responsible to count three.
Yeah.
All right. So the court will accept that stipulation, and then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes.
All right, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. 1 second. Fine.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Jacob, I just would like to ask a question if it's okay.
Question.
Would it be possible to receive a delayed sentence? I am in the midst of appealing an administrative review. I just had the determination for my license to be reviewed again through the Secretary of State.
So the prosecutor indicated that her offer is firm. She's not offering a delayed sentence.
And Your Honor, on behalf of the people, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, I have had an opportunity to review, I believe his Secretary of State record is in there, Your Honor. And at the very end, if I'm not mistaken, there was a review, an appeal hearing sometime in August of 2022. And I believe the privileges I believe denied. And I think he can revisit that issue in a year from the date of that hearing, I believe. And it would be at the very end of the Secretary of State record.
I am being represented by Attorney Matthew Zick out of Wyandotte, and it was remanded back to the Secretary of State when I did the appeal. I don't know that it was a year. I think I'm just waiting for the hearing date on the new review.
All right, so we're proceeding to sentencing, Mr. Robin.
Thank you,
Uh,
Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. There's a $200 fine for the fail to display charge, and for the seatbelt, there's a $65 fine. That's a civil infraction. Usually, the payment is due in 14 days, but because you have both, the court will give you to November 1st to pay it, okay?
Okay.
To pay both the six, so it's a total of $265. Did you have any
Okay.
questions?
Nope.
So you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck.
And Judge, on Mr. Dix, or Ms. Horn, is the offer is fair to display on his traffic from the city?
Charged.
It's as charged?
Yes,
Driving while license suspended?
yes.
Yep. Can I go into a breakout room with Mr. Dix?
Okay. I'm putting back, Mr. Diggs,